Hey all, Trevor here. Now we know that we can use our notes on the AP Physics 1 and AP Physics 2 exams this year, and so what I want to make sure we do is in this video I want to talk about how you should organize your notes for the AP Physics 1 or AP Physics 2 exam. Now the first thing I'm going to say is what you should not use. And what you should not use is your textbook or your AP review book as a resource. And the reason I say that is because you are going to have to flip through that book, flip through, read the surrounding paragraph to find the term you're looking for. That's going to take way too much time. It's going to be a lot easier if you have your notes already available and accessible. And so in this video, I'm going to teach you guys how to organize your notes for either the AP Physics 1 exam or the AP Physics 2 exam. The way I would organize it is the same. It's just a matter of what you're going to head your document. And so I want to make sure, and so I'll cover what you should head for each class. I'm going to incorporate them both because I know I don't really cover AP Physics 2, but I am currently in AP Physics 2, and so I'm actively doing this to prepare myself for the AP Physics 2 exam. So, what you should do is you should open up a blank Word document as I have right here. Now, for those of you that are like, well, I don't really like typing out equations. I would much rather handwrite my equations. If you want to handwrite your notes, I completely understand. That's fine. But I would really strongly encourage you, if you're comfortable typing equations, that you should type your notes. And the reason I say that is because you have the awesome, if you come over here, if you have the awesome Control F option where you can search your notes. For example, we can search for the, let's say, the work energy theorem. I'm going to put that there, or we can search for, like, Bernoulli's equation. Oh, now I got to remember how to spell it. Oh, now I just made myself look like a fool because I don't know how to spell Bernoulli's equation. But the point I'm trying to make is that you can search notes really easily with the Control F feature versus if you handwrite all your notes and you're scrambling through a bunch of pieces of paper trying to find information. That being said, I'm going to talk about what I think you should head your notes and the way you should organize them. So if you're in AP Physics 1, the way I think you should organize your notes is you should organize them by heading, and you should organize them this way. You should have a kinematics heading. And this would, a kinematics heading, a forces heading, a energy heading, a momentum heading, and a circular motion heading. So that would include rotational kinematics and torque and that kind of thing. I would say maybe rotational mechanics would be a better way to put it. I would have those 5 headings that you should know for the AP exam, because that's going to cover everything you need for the AP Physics 1 exam. If you're in AP Physics 2, your headings should be along the lines. It should be, I'm going to say electricity. And that's going to incorporate both electrostatics and circuits. So anything regarding electricity, electric circuits, capacitors, electric force, electric potential, all of that's going to go under electricity. Electricity, fluids, thermodynamics, and magnetism. I'm losing it. I was like, what am I including? Magnetism. So I would include those 4 topics if you're in AP Physics 2, because those 4 topics are covered in AP Physics 2. And what you're going to do is you're going to go to the course and exam description for AP Physics 2. Now, the easiest way to find it is if you go, or AP Physics 1, like, depends on the course and exam. I have Physics 2 up because I'm in AP Physics 2, so I'm going to do it for AP Physics 2. The process is exactly the same. If you want to find the course and exam description, just go to a new tab and search for AP Physics. And whether you're in 1 or 2, I'm going to say 1. AP Physics 1 course and exam. Can't type today. Description. Unfortunately, my Wi-Fi is slow. That is unfortunate. The first video where I'm encountering slow Wi-Fi, but usually, if it were to come up and not be annoying and slow, oh, there we go. It's the first link in the that shows up, and you can see the course exam description. Same Google search for AP Physics 2. You'll just put in a 2 instead of a 1. The other thing I think you should pull up is the formula sheet for AP Statistics, or sorry, just film the AP Statistics video. AP Physics. So I would search for AP Physics, Again, whether you're in 1 or 2, I'm going to say AP Physics 2 this time. Formula sheet. And again, it's going to be the first thing that comes up. Again, my internet's being slow. I don't know why. But it will, once it finally loads, it will be the first link that pops up in that Google search. You'll click that link. It'll take you to the formula sheet for AP Physics. Now, once you do that, you're going to take a look at the course and exam description. And you're going to go here. And you're going to go down here. And you're going to go scroll down to course framework. And then go down to the unit guides. So I'm going to look at fluids in AP Physics 2. Because, again, I'm taking AP Physics 2. You're going to scroll, 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 scroll. Great. Density. So I see this topic on density. And it has great density. Matters property called density. You can see the equation. It's mass per volume. And I can go over here. I can go to my fluids. I can go here. I can type density. And I can write out my equation. Now, again, and I'm not going to do this for AP Physics 1. I'm not going to do it for all of AP Physics 2 because we're not allowed to share notes on the AP for, we're not allowed to share notes for the AP exams this year. But I can show you guys how to format your notes and how you should go about doing it. And the way you should go about doing it is you should look up the course and exam description and go through every unit that's going to be covered on the AP exam, because everything in this course and exam description is something that College Board could test you on the AP Physics exam. So go through there. You go to the course and exam description, you check out the topics, you read and check out the essential knowledge, copy any equations or any important key facts, and organize them based on the heading you see that I showed you guys earlier. And do that for your notes, and you'll have great notes for the AP exams. Thank you guys so much for watching. I am going to hopefully do AP Physics 1 content. I'm working on seeing how I can develop that over the summer. So I will be releasing, hopefully, some AP Physics content over the summer for AP Physics 1. If you're excited about that, definitely subscribe and leave a comment if I can help you guys out more. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in another video. See you guys.